So the first O-ring is out. I'm gonna remove the second one. Actually, I'm gonna check the first one if there is some kind of problem, and I don't see anything. So the thing is, you have to check every single teeth for any kind of damage. If there is a little chip or something, it has to be separated. So let's pull the second one. It's coming really hard, but almost there. So make sure you spin it like one quarter, and you pull, and again you spin it 1/4. So now here comes the number 2, and it looks like okay. There might be a little chip right here, but we can live with that. So here might be a little thing too, and here it might look like water, but I see some kind of debris from the transmission, and if I would miss that, then that little piece of plastic might cause a future failure of the transmission. So I'm gonna hold it like that, and I'm gonna push it, and here comes that part. So it's a very tiny one, and you have to really watch for those ones. Okay, so seems to me that O-ring number 2 is okay too, and now I'm gonna pull the third one, and I saw some damage, and that one needs to be replaced.